What up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you can't tell, it's nighttime right now, which means a night car meet is taking place. But right now guys, I'm just in the Speed 3 about to head down to this meet, so we're gonna see exactly what's gonna be going on, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. We'll see what type of cars we can find. All right guys, check it, we made it. I guess it's still starting. Like, there's a few cars here, but nothing too crazy, I would say. All right guys, we're finally here. WRX pulling in, Teggy, Dennis again, you already know. Teggy's really clean though. Ooh, look at this. That's clean. And then a Jenny. Which one? Oh shoot, that is freaking clean. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Sounds so nice. Yeah, god, that thing is clean. Very clean, man. Oh my god. Gosh, damn, that's such a clean R32. Ooh. Golly. That's really clean. And big old turbo in there.
Yeah, this thing probably pushes like over 6.
Probably. Yeah, man, get those angles. Get it. It's perfect. I mean, I can see it with my camera now. Like, that looks good. This guy even has like the Nismo cap. This guy, man, this thing is mint, bro. Just look how clean that 32 is. Bro, beautiful TEs. Meaty tires. It's a V-spec too. Oh my god, dude. So dang clean. This is one of the cleanest ones. Look at this. The Nismo badging. It's just insane, man. I'd love to drive one of these one day. Damn, one right here. Another one. God damn.
Just from backing up, man. Holy fuck.
Crazy. Which one would you guys take? Silver or the like dark blue, purplish? Just look at the difference between the two. Hey, this one just looks way crazier. Oh, Subi and Cruise over here. FC RX-7, convertible. Yeah. Why did it have like a 240 front end or something? Mark 5. Sure, that's a Hellcat Charger. Hey, what the hell is going on over here? These guys are just over here revving this thing. God damn. Gosh. GTR? I have no idea where they're all going. Little Civic. Everybody leaving right now. Got some cars pulling in and some cars pulling out. BRZ, Supras. Dang, Supra. GTIR, the inside. Jeez, dude. Such a cool car, dude. The GR86. Maybe I should get one, bro. Should I get a GR, guys? Should I stop wasting time and just get one? They look so sick. Look at this, Mark III Supra, Fox body. Which one do you guys take, Fox body or Supra? Here's something you don't see every day at M6. These cars are long, dude. That's a clean EG that's leaving just now. Alright guys, so I'm back inside my car. Honestly, that meat kind of got pretty dead, so I left for sure. That 32 definitely was a star of the meet, I would say. But other than that, I don't know. I think I might continue this vlog into the next day, so let's do that. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And guys, if you can't tell by today's video, we are here at La Paloma, guys. We're gonna check out this meet that's going on. It's a little pop-up, so we're gonna go check it out. And I know what you guys are thinking, Jay, why are you going to so much meets and why are they all at Paloma? Guys, I don't even know. Everybody's just choosing to throw the meet at Paloma. I don't know why. I guess it's because it's such a hot spot and it's always like somewhat of a good turnout. But we just made it here, guys. You can see, like, literally made it early. Everyone is still just pulling up. Keep in mind, guys, that this is in the middle of the week. Like, it's literally Tuesday, so I'm not expecting anything too crazy out here. God damn, look at this beautiful GT3, dude. The rear end of these are so beautiful. Ooh. And a G80. Which one do you guys take, the G80 or the GT3? It's a tough choice. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice little 9th gen right here. I swear every 9th gen that I see has yellow fogs. They're nice though. Eco, oh, it is a GT. I was about to say EcoBoost. Alright, y'all, I finally did it. You got ice cream from Paloma for the very first time. It's taste test, here we go. Oh yeah. That's ice cream right there, baby. I mean, pretty damn expensive though. Like, this was like $7, guys. I mean, I don't know if it's worth that, but I mean, it is good. These are pretty sick. An old Fiat. And a Barth. Pretty cool. Oh, Ferrari. Damn. Thing sounds so good. Mercedes, that's pretty clean. Okay, look at this Porsche 944. No, dang McLaren. Balling. Well, this is fire though, 944s. And it's actually really clean. Every time I see these things, they're dirty as hell, but this is a prime example of a nice, well-kept 944. That's a nice EK, dude. Ooh.